Writing Task 2. Band 9-score model essay. With advanced vocabulary. Question. Tobacco should be treated as illegal like other drugs. Smoking has not a single positive issue but lots of negative effects, and therefore, it should be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the above statement? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your experience. You should write at least 250 words. Model Answer 1. The drugs that are strong and cause harm to humans are considered illegal and are prohibited in almost all the countries considering the bad effects. Those drugs are very addictive, and the people who take them regularly destroy their lives and cannot lead a normal life. Likewise, tobacco is another phenomenon that has a strong beckoning towards people of all ages. Considering the bad effects, therefore, it should be considered unlawful and prohibited. There are lots of substances presented in the tobacco, and people become much more addicted to the tobacco because it is easily accessible and does not cost that much at a time compared to other illegal drugs. There are enough scientific reasons to believe that once a person becomes addicted to tobacco, they can't leave it easily like other strong drugs. Many people even exhaust more than 20 cigarettes daily and eventually increase the possibility of being infected with lung cancer or many other serious diseases. The person who smokes or takes tobacco in other ways harms himself as well as the people surrounding them. Because it is proven in medical science that secondhand smoking causes the same physical problems as first-hand smoking does. So considering the issue, I strongly opine that all tobacco should be banned like other harmful drugs. Many people think that tobacco creates some opportunities. For instance, they mention the number of people involved in these industries, from farmers to manufacturing workers. They also think that tobacco companies often help people by sponsoring big sports events, initiating some social works like tree planting, star search programs, etc. In my opinion, all those are eyewash for people. The companies are uplifting their fortunes by destroying innocent people's lives. Think about a family that has lost their only earning member because he was a chain smoker for 20 years and recently died of lung cancer. The effects are overwhelming compared to what tobacco companies do for us. I believe there are lots of organizations that are happy to initiate the same social programs for the betterment of people. Science has proven that the amount of nicotine contained in a cigarette is pushed directly into someone's body, he will die at once. So tobacco business is a social crime at large. Furthermore, those who cultivate tobacco, process it, prepare cigarettes, and smoke ultimately become the victims of many serious diseases like cancer, heart diseases, and bronchitis. In addition, buying tobacco costs money that could have been used for some good thing. Teenagers addicted to tobacco involve themselves with some other drugs, and tobacco is always the gateway to other drugs. I don't think there is any one benefit we get from tobacco, rather, it harms us in so many ways. There are huge scarcities of food in the world right now, and a huge amount of fields and many farmers are engaged in producing tobacco. So I strongly give my opinion that the cultivation, production, manufacturing, and selling of tobacco should be strictly prohibited for all our betterment. Model Answer 2. Health is considered the most precious gift that we all have, so it is essential to think carefully about things that may have a harmful effect on individuals. Many people argue that tobacco smoking should be considered illegal like other drugs because it has more detriments than benefits. However, this is refuted by others. Both sides will be critiqued before a reasoned conclusion is formed. It is felt by many that cigarette smoking has deleterious effects on a person's life. For example, it has been shown in many research studies that tobacco is one of the risk factors for many diseases, including cancer, particularly lung cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and others. This example clearly shows that smoking can be very harmful and has a tremendous financial burden on not only the personal budget but also the health sector. On the other hand, many people think that smoking is a personal decision. In addition, it cannot be compared to drugs as it provides health benefits like memory and attention enhancement and prevents ulcerative colitis. Moreover, it is used in some medications. After analyzing these 2 points of view, I believe that the cons of smoking outweigh the pros, and the usage of tobacco should be limited for medical treatments authorized by governments. Without a doubt, I think that smoking is an important topic that has effects on various aspects of human life and other people's lives, as no one focuses on the passive smoking issue, and the government should pay more attention and invent new policies regarding smoking. Model answer 3. Most of the drugs are banned in all nations, as they are the root cause of many incurable diseases, mental instability, and social problems. Tobacco is considered similar to these drugs, as it engenders a myriad of negative impacts on human beings. I totally agree that tobacco must be banned, as it can engender diseases as well as cause addictions. Firstly, it is apparent that smoking can lead to vulnerable diseases like cancer, as tobacco contains a harmful ingredient called nicotine. Moreover, smoking not only creates a physical imbalance among the smokers but also attracts diseases among passive smokers due to the air pollution created by it. Research done in August 2014 by a group of scientists based in California illustrates that 70% of the people affected by smoking are non-smokers. Therefore, it is crystal clear that nicotine must be prohibited. Secondly, almost all smokers are addicted to the smoking habit, due to the reason that nicotine attracts this peculiar characteristic. Furthermore, if a smoker forcefully tries to put an end to the smoking habit, it is predicted that he or she will come under mental imbalance. For instance, if a patient asks some remedies with a physician to give up smoking, definitely the doctor would recommend decreasing the habit on a daily basis, instead of stopping suddenly. It might take a few years to get rid of this habit. Thus, it is obvious that tobacco has a huge negative impact. Smoking does not have a single positive side, and that's why it should be immediately banned. It costs a large amount of money, it puts our mental and physical health in danger, and it creates many other diseases in people. In conclusion, by analyzing how tobacco can destroy the health of people as well as cause addiction, it is obvious that tobacco products must be banned. It is suggested that governments give banning notice well in advance so that the smokers can quit the habit slowly. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Press the bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching.